Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stir-fry cabbage. First, select a fresh, firm head of cabbage, weighing approximately 2 pounds. It is crucial to wash and dry it thoroughly to prevent a watery stir-fry. Next, remove any tough outer leaves and the hard core. Then, slice the cabbage into uniform 1-inch wide strips, ensuring even cooking. This preparation is key for a perfect texture and flavor. For a flavorful stir-fry, you will need a few key ingredients. Start with 1 tablespoon of freshly minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger for aromatic depth. Combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce for that umami richness. A dash of 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and a pinch of white pepper will complete your seasoning. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of a neutral cooking oil, such as vegetable or canola, ready for the wok. Now let's get to the stir-frying. Heat your large wok or skillet over high heat until it just begins to smoke. Add 2 tablespoons of your chosen cooking oil, swirling it to coat the entire surface. Quickly add the minced garlic and grated ginger, stir-frying for about 30 seconds until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, add all the sliced cabbage. Continue to stir-fry vigorously for 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring it cooks evenly and retains a slight crispness. To finish your delicious stir-fry, pour in the prepared mixture of soy sauce and oyster sauce. Toss everything together quickly for about 1 minute, ensuring all the cabbage is evenly coated with the savory sauce. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and the pinch of white pepper for an extra layer of aroma and a subtle kick. Serve your hot, flavorful stir-fry cabbage immediately as a delightful side dish or alongside steamed rice for a complete meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.